Good afternoon, everyone. So, we are gathered for today so that we can discuss our topic. So, our topic for today is all about what is cause and effect. So, what happens when someone falls off their bike? The answer, whatever it is, describes the effect of falling off the bike. Cause and effect is the relationship between two events or situations, where one of the two is the cause of the other. The cause is the initiating event or situation, and the effect is the result of the cause. In order for us to really know what is cause and effect, so we will have our examples. So our example number one, for cause, the lightning struck the tree. So the effect of that is the tree caught on fire. So second, the audience cheered loudly. And the effect for that, the band played one more song. Another cause, the cat scratched the dog's nose. And the effect for that, the dog needed to go to the vet. So how to create a cause and effect relationship? So true cause and effect relationship must meet a few conditions. The first condition is called temporal precedence. Temporal precedence is a term that simply means one thing comes before the other terms of a time. While the effect can be physically presented before the cause in a sentence, effect cannot come before cause in a timeline of events. For example, a war can cause a gas shortage, but since the gas shortage is the effect, it can't happen before the war. So that is temporal precedence. Another conditions of creating a cause and effect relationship is the second condition is that the two events must be related to one another. A cat, for example, a cat falling out of a tree does not relate to lava flowing across the road, so they likely do not have a cause and effect relationship. So the third condition is that the relationship between the cause and the effect must be direct, which means that the effect is the direct result of the cause, not just a coincidental occurrence. Imagine that lightning strikes a tree in a person's yard during a storm and the power goes out. In order for the lightning to be the cause of the power outage, it has to be the reason the power is out. If instead wind from the storm knocked down a power line, then the wind or the storm in general would be the cause. So once the three conditions are met, a cause and effect relationship has been established. But cause and effect relationship don't come in just one form. There are three different types of cause and effect relationship. So I will give you the three types of cause and effect statement. So the three types of cause and effect statement are stated, unstated, and reciprocal. So first stated, the definition of stated is the relationship between the cause and the effect is stated outright and made clear through words. So for example, first stated is the heavy rain we got yesterday caused the pool to overflow. For unstated, the relationship is not directly stated in the text itself, but it is implied. So example, bullying in school has become a major issue in modern society. Many kids feel unsafe and unwilling to go to school for fear of being bullied. So that's the example of unstated. Another one is reciprocal. Reciprocal relationships are when there are multiple causes and effects in a row. So this can be viewed as a sort of chain reaction or chain of events. So example for this is the driver was distracted by the bright sunlight and swerved off the road, smashing into a barrier. Because of the crash, the driver had to call a family member. Another example for that is the habitat of this polar bear is shrinking. The cause is melting ice. And the cause of the melting ice is climate change. So this is reciprocal cause and effect. There are lots of cause and effect in a row. Cause and effect relationship purpose. So in this moment, we are going to jump on to the purpose of cause and effect relationship. So the relationship between cause and effect is a very important tool in writing because it serves several purposes for the writer and the intended audience. So one of the most important functions of cause and effect in writing is to serve as a way to support a claim or offer details that support a main idea or thesis statement. If a thesis statement is about how global warming is being a threat to the environment, cause and effect relationship can show how rising temperatures cause severe weather, helping to illustrate the idea. Another importance of cause and effect relationship is it can help a writer organize what might be a complicated or chaotic topic. If the topic itself has many facets or complexities, using cause and effect statement can help to better organize and manage the topic in writing. For instance, the topic of cyberbullying is very complicated, but bringing up some basic cause and effect relationships while discussing the topic can make it more manageable. The third importance of cause and effect relationships can help link ideas together in a narrative or informational essay. Concepts and ideas, whether they are factional or non-factional, aren't always easily connectable. Using cause and effect can help a writer to connect things that may not stand out as obviously linked. So, the last importance of cause and effect relationship are a great way to show character motivations. Employing cause and effect relationship in storytelling can make a character's decisions and motivations much more clear. So, for example, the cause of a student bullying another student in a narrative may be that the bully himself is also a bullied at home. So the cause and effect relationship here gives more depth to the antagonizing character. So that could be all my topic for today. I hope that you understand what is really a cause and effect relationship. So always remember that a cause and effect relationship is a relationship between two events or situations where one of the two is the cause of the other. So always remember that the cause is the initiating event or situation while the effect is the result of the cause. So I hope you understand and learn from our discussion for today. So goodbye and thank you. God bless.